Hello friends, I am Sham Bhatia and I welcome you on E Academy 123. Today we will discuss about the most trusted and most required ebook, and this ebook you can take easily, and it is the most important to qualify for some MNCs interviews like Google, Amazon and Facebook and other CDS, CAT, and this exam it is the equally useful for that. And first of all, I request if you are new person on this channel, then please subscribe, and if you find something interesting in this video, then just like this video. Okay. Now I'm going to explain. This book is useful for MNCs like Google, Facebook and CAT, UPSC, IBPS clerk and other competitive exam also, where the English background words are asked, and where the English based skill are checked, where that book are most important. And campus recruitment it is also equally, and how to read the Hindu newspaper and other newspaper and magazine, how to read and how to understand, and the how high frequency word used in that newspaper and in that magazine, how to use that, all are eligible if you take this 300 words. And it is very easy, Hindi and English in both, and you can easily read this book, and you can not memorize, just you can understand that word and practicalize in your life. So for judiciary this is most important, I can say, vocabulary. And if you say, how many guys is there really trust, honestly tell me, know that baby, banter, allure, quantify, object, and these all words high frequency word, do you know this or not? Okay, I am just opening this book, and here this is the my book which I took here. You can take this book, and this is the important book, you can say. And how I just cut it, and you can take all this word, and 300 most difficult word, high frequency word, you can say any one of them. Do you know meaning of this? Okay, what is the meaning of base merge? Base merge, just copy it and just control C and find it is exist in this book or not. Okay, control V, I paste and just hit the enter. Okay, base merge, what does it mean? कीचड़ उछालना. And in English what does it mean? Defame. Okay, it does mean what is this. And you can say this high frequency word, and what is the meaning of Hindi, and what is the simple word, and stimulator also you can say. So in this book if you purchase it, then you will find both Hindi meaning and English meaning. And this is what, this is the lesson 10, you can say. In this ebook there is a 10 lesson. In this book there is a 10 lesson, and each have 30 plus words high frequency word. So 300 plus word are here. So let's go the another word. What is the another word? So I cut it and I will show another word. What is the basmich? Venir, you can find out. Okay, and such many words in this ebook, you can easily take it. And another word, what will pahen, whatever you call it, and just control C and just search it in this ebook. Okay, control V and just hit enter. Yes, then you will find what is the meaning of this. Here is the पाहेन विजय गीत या विक्टोरी सॉन्ग जो होता है, that is the meaning. So such a many words you can find it easily. And I trust if you take this all this thing means this ebook, then if you understand all these words, then you are easily read the newspaper as well as the magazine, and as well as the interview question in TCS as well as in Facebook and any MNCs and CDS, judiciary, any competitive exam if you are preparing, then you can take this book. This is the very important book, and I can't show all this thing because here is the lesson 1 you can take. This is the lesson 1, and what is the meaning and etc. you can take all this. Okay, so here is the most important book for you. and you can take it easily. You can take it easily from going to your best Google, and here come here and just buy now. This is the one reasonable price, and it is not a matter. You can just pay the minimum price and take it. All this thing in this all books, and you can take easily. You can take easily. And what happen in after taking this books, after taking this book, you can able to crack any English based examination, English based interview. And if you are not able to understand the newspaper, then after taking and after memorizing and after understanding this 300 word, then you are fluently you can read. So it is the most important for you. So you may take it, and the link of that book I will paste inside the description box. And any doubt related to it, just call me. Just uh, uh, take it. And if you know the contact number, 9516 10 20 and 9. Yes, just WhatsApp me or call any doubt related to. Thank you. Bye bye. We will meet soon again.